Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 can't map network drive. Here's the real fix. Open Control Panel. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.